Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add Gmail to Facebook in 2025. So first off, from the Facebook app here, you want to go to the three-part section here. After that, you want to scroll down and you want to go to the settings and privacy section. It'll be collapsed like this. So just open it like this. And then you want to click on settings like here. And then on settings, you want to go to account center. On account centers, you want to scroll down and you want to go to personal details here. On personal details, go to contact info here. On contact info, click on add new contact here. Now on add new contact, you'll be presented with two options here. So either add a mobile number or add an email. Since we want to add an email, of course, we're gonna have to add email. And then here you just enter in your Gmail address. So for example, I want to enter in example@gmail.com, something like that. After you've typed in your Gmail account, just click on next and then your Gmail will be added to your Facebook. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.